everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So today is the 9th day in the question practice, and the question for today is that glycoporin spans the phospholipid bilayers how many times? I repeat the question, that glycoporin spans the phospholipid bilayer how many times? Glycoporin have a highly hydrophobic domain, so you have to tell that how many times does it span the phospholipid bilayer. You have 4 options for the same. The first option is 1 time, second option is 4 times, third option is 7 times, and the fourth option is 2 times. So these are the 4 options and the question in front of you. Try to solve this question. This particular topic is very important about the spanning of the phospholipid bilayer. Make sure you remember about the various times the phospholipid bilayer is getting spanned by the various different components, because time and again questions have been asked from this area as well. So this was about this particular video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. I'll see you very soon with more questions, more quality content on my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.